All right, so you should have just finished your Unit 2 unit assessment. That was reviewing all of the factors, multiples, multiplication properties. Let's see what else is on there. Multi-step problems and equations. So we've been working really hard on that for the last several weeks, and that's all leading to this week and next week, which is multiplication and division. So today's lesson is lesson 11, and your objective is I can multiply whole numbers. I can multiply whole numbers. So if you would, in your shiny math book, I need you to turn to page 126 and 127. So the problem is there are 100 stickers on each roll, and a box of stickers has 3 rolls. How many stickers are there in 4 boxes? So we have 3 different numbers there, 100, 3, and 4. Page 126 is going to take you through that problem step by step. How many boxes are there? How many rolls of stickers are there in each box? And then I want you to write a multiplication number between all the boxes. How many stickers are on each row or on each roll? Very simplistic multiplication today. If you look on 127, your number 1, your reflect question is choose a basic multiplication fact you know. Show how to multiply the product of that fact by 10, 100, and 1,000. Remember, explain how to know your answer. So say the basic multiplication fact you know is 2 times 2. We all know 2 times 2 is 4. So if we did 4 times 10, what does that equal? 4 times 100, what does that equal? 4 times 1,000, what does that equal? That is what that problem is asking you. A quick trick on multiplying a basic fact by a number with zeros at the end is adding whatever the total is, so whatever your product is. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Taking that product, now 4 times 10, the 4 times the 1 equals still 4, and then you just add 1 0 onto it. So 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 100, adding those 2 zeros on is 400. 4 times 1,000, adding on those 3 zeros would be 4,000. When I look through your books tomorrow, I don't want to see number 1 with the example 2 times 2 equals 4, and then 40, 400, and 4,000. Choose your own basic problem. Up in the example on the find out more, they used 4 times 3, which we know is 12. And it also shows you where they added in those zeros. So it's super simple, guys. Just think of those zeros and count the zeros and add those back in. So today for math, you should have done Unit 2, Unit Assessment, page 126 and 127 in your shiny math book. If you get done with that, I would like you to go back into your shiny math book and with a partner. Now this is just if you get done, so don't stress it out. I want you to work on that math in action. That begins on page 114. 114. And it goes through 121. You may also work on the interim assessment, which is on page 122 and through 124. But once you get that unit assessment done, you're going in and doing pages 126, 127, then going to 114 to 122, and then 122 to 124. But please make sure you get that math test done and that 126, 127 in your math book. And then you can go back in and work with partners on the math in action. Have a great rest of your math time.